Dr. Bobby with Vertical Chiropractic. Oftentimes, a patient will ask me, why does my spinal joint make a cracking sound when we're adjusting the spine and correcting the spine? The best way that I can describe that is there's an atmosphere within the joint, or a range of motion, or a sound barrier, so to speak. Think about the earth. The earth has the same thing. All right, there's an atmosphere, right? And every time the astronauts come in and out of that atmosphere, there's a sonic boom because they're crossing a sound barrier. So when the joint actually misaligns, we have a spinal joint right here. When it misaligns, there's a normal range of motion, and it comes out of that normal range of motion, which creates instability. But there's actually a sound barrier there. So the joint actually, a lot of times when it misaligns, it'll make a popping sound where there's a shift. And then a lot of times the patient will say, I heard that and I felt immediate pain. So when we're adjusting the spine, we're putting it back into alignment, and we're also crossing that same sound barrier. So think about, if we have a normal range of motion, right? We misalign the spine, we're out of that range. When we go back into that normal range of motion, we're going to cross that sound barrier, and then the joint cavitates, which means it's actually releasing gases, and sometimes we actually hear that cracking sound. But how we adjust, we never twist the spine, it's incredibly safe, and it doesn't always crack. So I'm Dr. Bobby Fano. Thanks for allowing me to educate you.